everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to stop auto login in Call of Duty Mobile. To stop auto login in Call of Duty Mobile, follow these steps. If you are logged into your Call of Duty account with any login options, you'll simply need to log out of it in order to turn off auto login. If you simply force quit Call of Duty application and you reopen it back again, then you will be logged in automatically with your previous login method, as you can see on the screen. If you want to disable auto login, then all you need to do is to log out of your account that you are logged in with. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner and then tap on Legal and Privacy from the left-hand menu. Once you do that, click on the Logout button at the bottom right-hand corner in order to log out of your account. Tap on OK and confirm your decision to log out. Once you do that, you will not only log out of your account, but you will also be able to stop auto login in Call of Duty Mobile. As you can see that, you are now not logging in automatically anymore. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.